All right, in continuation, still on the topic sword. All right, simplification of swords. Remember, there are basic rules when you are performing operation on sword. The rule number one says, example. Rule number one says when n over root m over root n can be written as roots n over n. Then root n times root m can also be written as n root n m, can be written together. All right, let's consider this question. Express the following in their simplest form. So the question A here says root 108. For you to express this number in its simplest form, you are going to split this number in two factors. To look for two factors, one perfect square, the other one might not be a perfect square. Now for you to simplify, you know that 108 can be multiplied by two numbers, which is equals to the square root of 4 times 27. 4 times 27 is 4 times 27 can be reaching. If you multiply these two numbers, you arrive at 108. Okay, for you to simplify further, you have 4 times 9 times what? 9 times 3 will also give us 27. This 4 times 9 times 3 will also give us this 27. So remember that these numbers can be also written as the square root of 4 times the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. So when we write it this way, what are we going to have? The square root of 4 is 2 times the square root of 9 is 3 times 2 and the square root of 3. So 2 times 3 will give us 6 times the square root of 3, which is equals to 6 square root of 3. That is your answer. Alright, let's consider this question. We also have square root of 45. You have to split this number in two factors. One a perfect square and the other may not be a perfect square. Alright, let's have square root of 9 times 5. The square root of 9 times 5 will give us 45. Know that 9 is a perfect square. Alright, you know that square root of 9, this number can be written this way. Square root of 9 is what? 3 times this root 5, which is equals to 3 root 5. Okay, let's solve this in the comment section. Give us the answer there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.